Are you ready to transform your team's skills in just 3 days? Get ready to boost efficiency and profits at your lodge. Here are the skills you'll master: general administration, smart stock control, department coordination, next level guest service, and reservations and catering. We have group training sessions available in different locations across Namibia, as well as on-site training for your entire team. Certification is also included, so your training is added to your CV. Your training is presented by Sunet Burman, a local Namibian with over 15 years of lodge management experience, as well as more than 20 years of general management knowledge. We not only offer training to your staff and managers, but also have full operational systems available. If you need your business to run smoothly, we have the tools you need. Contact Sunet at Budget Buddy Trading CC on drivethewild.africa@gmail.com, or you can call 081 704 2102.